Hello, in this video we are going to know about break-even analysis. Break-even analysis is an important concept which is used by the management to take an important decision in their business. What is break-even analysis? Break-even analysis refers to the study of relationship between cost, volume and profit at different levels of sales or production. In broader sense, break-even analysis study the relationship between cost, volume and the profit. In its narrow sense, it is refers to a technique determining the level of operations where total revenue equal the total expenses or cost. In narrow sense, break-even analysis is a technique which is used to determine the level of operations to know where the total revenue equal the total cost. At that point, we called as a no profit, no loss. The study of cost to volume profit analysis is often referred as break-even analysis. Break-even analysis is a financial tool which helps to determine at what stage your company or a new service or a product will be profitable. In other words, it is a financial calculation for determining the number of products or services a company should sell to cover its cost, particularly fixed cost. Break-even analysis is useful in studying the relationship between variable cost, fixed cost and revenue. Components of break-even analysis. There are two important components in the break-even analysis, fixed cost and the variable cost. Fixed cost is a cost that does not change with an increase or decrease in the amount of goods or service produced or sold. Fixed cost cannot be changed an increase or decrease in the amount of goods or service produced or sold. Fixed costs are also called as a overhead cost. These costs are fixed no matter how much you sell. Fixed costs include interest, taxes, salary, rent, depreciation cost, labor cost, energy cost, etc. Variable cost. Variable costs are costs that will increase or decrease in direct relation to the production volume. These costs include cost of raw material, packaging cost, fuel cost and other costs that are directly related to the production. So, variable cost directly related to the production. Fixed cost cannot be changed, it remains constant. Computation of break-even point. The break-even point can be computed by the following method. One is algebraic formula method, graphic or chart method. The break-even point can be computed in terms of units of sales volume, budgeted total or in terms of money value or as a percentage of estimated capacity. Units of sales volume, break-even units. To find out the break-even point in number of units, the formula for break-even points, total fixed cost divided by selling price minus variable cost. Selling price minus variable cost are also called as a contribution. Now we have one small problem. Selling price per unit rupees 6, variable cost per unit rupees 4, total fixed cost rupees 30,000. Now we have to find out the break-even points. For calculating the break-even points, the formula is total fixed cost divided by selling price minus variable cost. Fixed cost amount is rupees 30,000 divided by selling minus variable is selling price rupees 6, variable cost is rupees 2. So, break-even point in terms of units 7,500 where the total revenue equals the total cost. Another small problem. A company estimated that next year it will earn a profit of rupees 50,000. The budgeted fixed cost and sales are 2,50,000 and 9,93,000 respectively. Find out the break-even for the company. To find out the break-even point, the formula is fixed cost multiplied with the sales divided by contribution. Contribution can be find out sales minus variable cost or fixed cost plus profit. Now we have fixed cost and the profit. The fixed cost value is rupees 2,50,000. The profit, the company will earn a profit of rupees 50,000. So, contribution is rupees 3 lakhs. Break-even point, we have to find out the break-even sales. The formula for break-even sales, fixed cost multiply with the sales divided by contribution. So break-even sales fixed cost is rupees 2,50,000 multiply with the amount of sales value 9,93,000 divided by the contribution sales minus variable cost or fixed cost plus profit rupees 3 lakh. So break-even sales is rupees 8,27,500. Some more problems are having. These break-even analysis important concept is used by the management to determine the level of operations where their total revenue is equal to the total cost. In that point, they cannot incur any no profit and no loss. Thank you.